Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Play Salon Set is probably one of the most popular and sought-after toys for young girls who love to role-play and explore their creativity, offering them a chance to express their imagination and develop essential social skills through interactive play. And this video will cover everything you need to know before buying one for your little girl, from the essential features to look for to the safety considerations you should keep in mind. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Wooden Beauty Salon. It's time for a spa day. Let's open this 18-piece wooden beauty salon set and see all the amazing accessories inside. Check out this adorable vanity. It has a child-safe mirror and a handy drawer to keep everything organized. Isn't it beautiful? With a hair dryer, hairspray, straightener, comb, and brush, you can create any hairstyle you desire. Let's get styling. This set includes lipstick, nail polish, blush, eyeshadow, and more. Time to unleash your inner makeup artist. It's the perfect gift for preschoolers aged 3 to 6. Get ready for hours of screen-free fun and creativity. This set is made with FSC-certified materials, supporting responsible forestry. It's eco-friendly and fun. What we like? If you are looking for a durable and eco-friendly playset, this is the one for you. It's made of wood from responsibly managed forests and comes with a wide variety of accessories. This set is perfect for imaginative play and will last for years to come, making it a great gift for environmentally conscious parents. What people say. As expected from a Melissa and Doug product, the quality is excellent. It has become a favorite toy for the little recipient and has provided hours of play while still looking brand new. Great quality product. Sturdy, heavier wood. My 3-year-old loves it. Such a fun toy that keeps my daughter entertained for hours. All the accessories are fun and the perfect size for toddlers. Everything is durable BC. It's made from wood. Includes a flat iron, nail polish and lipstick with removable lids, perfume, brush and comb, eyeshadow and a storage drawer. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Love Your Look Salon Set. Get ready for hours of imaginative play with this amazing salon and spa set. It's packed with 16 fun pieces to create the ultimate pampering experience. Wash, brush, cut, and style hair with a pretend shampoo, brush, comb, and scissors. Don't forget to use the hairdryer. It even has a working fan. Pamper your clients with cucumber eye pads and a squishy facial scrub. It's the perfect way to relax and rejuvenate. Get into character with the stylish apron and cape. One of you can be the stylist, and the other can be the pampered customer. With 3 fun activity cards, a dustpan, and a dust brush, you'll have everything you need for a fantastic salon experience. Let the role-playing begin. Playing salon and spa helps kids build confidence, empathy, and self-esteem. It's a fun and engaging way to learn valuable social skills. What we like? If your child enjoys role-playing and wants to explore different beauty treatments, this set is ideal. It includes a variety of tools and accessories for both hair and spa treatments, along with activity cards to inspire creative play. It's perfect for kids who love to imitate real-life scenarios and develop their social skills. What people say. The polish bottles and brushes are slightly oversized and the other accessories are a thick plastic, so everything should be durable in little hands. I love that the clear plastic shelf is functional and that all the accessories, besides the bowl and dryer, store on it, including grooves to hold the color guide and the activity card. All the kids play with it. And what's funny is all the kids seem to know how to use the brushes and which makeup goes where. These have brought us hours and hours of fun, with no mess and all imagination. Number 3. Click and Play Doll Salon Chair. It's the perfect chair for your child's 18-inch dolls. Watch them have hours of fun styling their doll's hair. This chair is not only stylish but also adjustable in height for comfortable play. It even has a footrest. It comes with everything your little one needs, a brush, clips, curlers, and more. Let their creativity shine. It's made with sturdy materials, built to last through countless styling sessions. Cleaning up is a breeze, too. Designed to fit most 18-inch dolls perfectly, it's the ideal addition to any doll collection. Get ready for endless imaginative play. Give your child the gift of endless fun and creativity with this amazing doll salon chair. It's the perfect present for any occasion. What we like. If you have a doll-loving child who enjoys hairstyling, this adorable salon chair is a must-have. Its adjustable height makes it comfortable for your child to play with, and the complete styling set provides hours of imaginative fun. This is perfect for children who love to care for their dolls and express their creativity. What people say. It makes a great addition to their collection. Well made. This is a good chair. My daughter has been begging for one for months for her dolls. She mostly has our generation and American Girl dolls. When it arrived, I was pleasantly surprised. It's really well made, and although it was a little trick to get the foot stand screwed in, that little screw is really small. It's a keeper. She loves playing with it, and I'm glad that it was better quality than expected. Grandkids love it, all ages 2 years to 12 years old. Very good quality and sturdy with full-size doll and chair. Number 2. PixieCrush Kids Makeup Kit. Wow, look at this amazing kit. It's got everything your little one needs to play makeup artist. Check out all the goodies inside: lip gloss, mascara, brushes, lipsticks, and even a hair dryer and flat iron. It's completely safe for kids. This pretend makeup is perfect for imaginative play without any worries. This set is great for playing with friends. It looks fantastic on a vanity and is perfect for hours of fun. Let your little princess feel like a grown-up and express her creativity with this fun kit. It's a perfect gift. This kit isn't just about makeup, it sparks imagination and creativity, encouraging independent play and self-expression. What we like. If your little one loves playing with makeup and hair tools, this complete set is a perfect gift. It comes in a convenient carrying case, making it easy to store and transport. The included hair dryer and flat iron add extra fun to the imaginative play. This is great for kids who enjoy mimicking grown-up activities and expressing their creativity. What people say. Great for pretend play. Products look realistic but are appropriate for a toddler. Does not seem cheap like some pretend play kits at this age are. The makeup is very realistic, comes with a lot of things and good quality. This is our 2-year-old's favorite gift from Christmas. She plays with this every day. It's very good quality and everything looks so realistic. Number 1. Play 22 Pretend Play Vanity Set. It's every young girl's dream. This vanity set is perfect for imaginative play and role-playing. It comes with tons of accessories to create endless fun. With 20 accessories included, it offers a complete pretend play experience. Mix and match rings, bracelets, and hair clips for endless styling possibilities. The included blow dryer is safe and fun to use, adding another layer of realistic play to the experience. It's perfect for creating stylish hairdos. The vanity mirror lights up and plays sounds, enhancing the magical experience. It's a truly enchanting play space for your little one. This vanity set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. It's ideal for children aged 3 and up, encouraging imaginative play and self-expression. This set meets all U.S. safety requirements, ensuring worry-free playtime. It's designed for hours of fun and creativity. What we like. If your child dreams of having their own vanity, this set is perfect. The working blow dryer and lights and sounds add extra excitement to the play experience. It's a great gift for children who love to dress up and play beauty salon, offering a realistic and engaging playtime experience. What people say. It is a great size for her to sit and play, and I love that it lights up and plays a tune to be interactive for her. It's pretty sturdy and you get a good amount of items for how much it costs. Colors are vibrant. It is sturdy and comes with lots of make-believe hair utensils. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.